Hi guys, I'm Daddy Freeze, convener of the Free the Sheeple movement and leader of the Free Nation in Christ. I greet you and I bring glad tidings. Omo, you want Japa be? I no blame you. Egg now na 100 naira. Hey, where you want start to the patch am from? But the problem where they be say, the problem there is, where do you jackpot to? Many Nigerians jackpot go Ukraine. You saw how that ended. Europe right now also has its issues. But have you thought of Canada? What about going to school, working and getting paid at the same time? Why don't you join me at 8 p.m.? I'll be bringing Zino Ojogbo. She'll be talking about how you can get jobs, work, pay, even relocate with your family to places like Canada. Don't miss it. 8 p.m. tonight, Zino Ojogbo can mentor you through the study pathway to create opportunities for you to live and study abroad. Once again, 8 p.m. tonight, join us live. I'm Daddy Freeze. See you there. You want Japa?